Welcome, welcome, welcome to our project one. I am Nikumari from Elite International School. I am going to show you my project.
Well, thank you very much. As the people I'm getting, there's are people getting confused and how we can upload. So many times they're speaking wrong, thought they are not able to speak. They're knowing very well, I know, but they are getting confused. If that means they have no practice, right? It was a simple project for the people that they will upload 5 minutes of YouTube there so that this will be according to theirs, it will be as a memory. Then rest what happens to theirs, they are working very hard to make the project, but what happens after 2 days later, it will be thrown out. So that's why I decided this plan is whatever you are making, just you have your channel, RamanuJam channel is your channel, not my channel. So do one thing, just you can send on this 5 minutes of you either is a clip so that I can upload and it will be saved in your online, right? Raise the things, it will be your advanced skill will be developed so that you will not hesitate. I don't understand that this is the first time when you're using the thought will be this, that will be, no script will be, not really, So through this video, just I'm going to help you out that from where and how to start, So first you can welcome also, you can say welcome in our channel RamanuJam Santo. Today I'm feeling so very happy that I got a chance and I salute to my class teacher, one who has given me this opportunity, right? And I'd hats up to my all schools, principals, directors and families, one who has given this type of environment. No doubt there is no any words for them. They are very well, very good. One who taught to us in very cheap rates and the high and standard level of education. We are not getting only the simple education for the bookies, nor for CBSE and NCERT. We are getting here with all every kinds of knowledge. How will be social? How will be a great people? How will we can develop our thinking? How we can develop our inner generation, like internal genetics. How we can develop how the person develop grooming, language, literatures, writing, Olympiads. There are so many categories here that people are here regarding education. All people are very happy. All teachers are working very hard, no doubt, with salutes and the hits of class. They are working to this without any thinking. So but here in this project, like so today, what I'm going to say about this, how the projects you can say the first I told you, otherwise you can say, hello everyone, or welcome to everyone, or a good evening or good morning to everyone, or hello, my all dearest brother and sister. Today I am feeling very happy that I got a chance and my class teacher has given me a chance to show my project. This project's made by me, made by all, but I got help from our family members, my sisters, my elders, and my brothers. And my parents always inspired to us. These are all everything's activity and creativity. My family members like very much. Do you know that we are from this school that schools which is in between these two ponds, Bathdubia or Kango, Gururi, Jharkhand, an Indian state in India, which is one of the local but public school, but it is famous and renowned in the branded school, no doubt. Here we have a very good result and everything is we are getting good, not even only getting education, but we're nurturing and we're developing for this next generation people. So here, today, I will say about this my project. My project means what will be your projects. You can look, you can show, and you can share. If it is in plastic, you can say about plastic. If it is in metal, then you can say about metal. If it is in paper, you can say paper. If it is battery, whatever you have, you can first make this. Right? Otherwise, you will poster, then you can say about the poster, right? When it will be complete, then you can say. Thank you very much. But one thing that I do believe that still, if you have not watched, then you will watch complete video. If you are my first subscriber, if all my students, that is all my brother and sister, then I do believe that you have subscribed. Still, if you have followed my video, so please subscribe, share, and hit the bell button so that any types of video and projects we will upload, you will get in the first time. Next thing is that don't forget to like and comment, write your name in the class so that my teacher will get it out well. Alright? So this way my project's completed and I'm fully excited. Thank you very much. God bless you and keep smiling. Try to always help to others. Always be positive and be a very good people. You can show we are all everything. You can show your talents, your positivity, your disciplines, your obedience, your regular, your punctuals, all everything you are here showing, right? So thank you very much for your support and have a great day. Thank you.